Welcome back, I'm John Furrier, host of theCUBE. We are live on the New York Stock Exchange floor celebrating BitGo's IPO, just went public just a few minutes ago this morning, celebrating again a real journey in the culture of the company. Jody Mettler is here, Chief Operating Officer of BitGo. Jody, great to see you. Love the presentation before you rang the bell. Great to see everyone up on the balcony. Investors, employees, partners.
Yes, such a great team.
Great accomplishment. Obviously, first crypto IPO of the year, market's hot, regulatory environment's great, but I'm really impressed with BitGo. I mean, it reminds me of the early days at Netscape when the internet browser came out, where you had a cultural revolution. And the employees at Netscape, many of my friends worked there, your CEO was there as well. It was a cult-like following. You got that here, but it's more mainstream, it's going mainstream. Talk about the culture of BitGo, because it's not just a cryptocurrency company, it's a digital asset, it's an infrastructure. It feels a little Silicon Valley to me, which I like, by the way, from Silicon Valley myself. So, but it's bringing it, that Valley vibe into financial markets, which has a massive scale to it, like the cloud computing days. So you're bringing scale, trust. What's the culture like?
You know, the culture is incredible, and Mike has built such a fantastic team over the years. The leadership team we've had in the past, the team we have on the ground today, and it is people coming from financial institutions, so they have that background, they have that culture, but then it's like commingling it with engineers and technology, and so you have this like mind meld of just incredible talent that come together that have passion for what we're doing, and it's been, the culture has been good.
I really liked your speech when you were up on the podium on the pre-ceremony. It's an accomplishment. Mike also went up, and kind of an engineering talk. We have work to do. I mean, that's like an all-hands meeting in technology in Silicon Valley, but it was in front of the world stage. But that's the mindset, and that is the kind of cadence we'd like to see in large-scale infrastructure companies. So, you know, hats off to you guys and the team. Congratulations. My question is, as you look at the scaling up the growth strategy, how do you look at that? Because also it was very humble March. We got to still make the numbers. What's the strategy on the growth? You got great beachhead, you locked in a nice revenue model on custody, but there's a whole platform side coming. As regulatory clears up, we predict that we're going to see massive builders coming in, innovators, young guns to seasoned executives, building new apps. What's the plan? What's the vision?
The vision of BitGo is we've always been building, right? We've been building since 2013. We started as a wallet technology company. We've built the financial services on top of it. You've got the regulatory requirements. We've been building all along. So, you know, while we see there's going to be a lot of new apps and new people coming into the market, I hope they're learning from what we learned from. And I think they're going to copy us a little bit.
Ed, the CFO, just was talking about the revenue model. He really likes what he's seeing. You guys use it internally. As you look at putting the team and growing the scale of the base and increasing your customer base, what is that value proposition for BitGo? What does it evolve into? What's the plans? What are some of the things you're focused on?
Yeah, I mean, we're focused on global right now, right? So we've spent a lot of time, we're based in California, grew out of the US, now we're looking at our global footprint. And that is in all areas of financial services. So we started in custody, but as Ed talked about in our financial model, it's really about the trade, borrow, lend, all of those types of things in the future. So we're building on that globally.
Okay, so next all hands meeting in front of the entire employee base, what's the message?
That's a great question.
Go faster!
Go faster, right? Scale it. We built it, now we need to scale it, right? So to Ed's point, to Mike's point, we got to make the numbers, but we've built all the technology on the ground to scale it.
So go-to-market's going to be a big piece of it. Institutional are adopting, got good client base. What's it like on the bell, ringing the bell and looking at that moment? Was it a pinch me moment? Was it a surreal moment? What's it like for you personally?
It was crowded.
It was crowded. It's hard to get a selfie in there whenever.
It was really a pinch me moment. I said it earlier today. It's when somebody asked me if I was relieved that I'm here, right? And it's not relief, because that's like, I didn't think it was going to happen. So it was a pinch me accomplishment moment. This team has been incredible. Mike is such a visionary, and it's really
What's been some of the investor reaction? Obviously you guys had the roadshow, you went public, now you're going to have people buying the stock. What's the elevator pitch for BitGo? How would you describe, I mean, it's not a sales pitch, it's more of like people who are, mainstream America is learning, and people that are smart that aren't inside the ropes, like we are asking questions. What does this mean to me? Can I make more money? Can I store my value? As crypto as an ecosystem develops, it's got scale, it's got network effects, has transparency. The US D1 is an amazing thing you guys did. So a lot of things, the piece parts are there.
Yes.
What does it mean to people?
I think people need to understand it means security to them, right? Particularly what BitGo does, and that's what we based our company off of, is security. So people need to know that they can be in this asset class and feel secure about it.
Future for next year, what's your to-do items? A lot of work to do, Mike said. What's the to-do items on your plate? Without revealing, you're a public company now, maybe you can't say it.
I have a lot of traveling to do. Again, we're focused on global expansion in the near term with our same company, our platform that we've built so hard.
Jody, congratulations to you and the team. I know how hard it is to go public, and you guys looking good off the tee, as they say, so congratulations.
Thank you so much.
I'm John Furrier with theCUBE. We are live on the show floor of the NYSE, breaking down BitGo's IPO, but more importantly, highlighting the mega trend, that is the tokenization of assets in the real world to digital. We're already seeing it now with our life now. It's just going to scale up, be more transparent, trusted at institutional scale. Thanks for watching.